The first thing to be noted is the parallel between the action at the altar and the action in the texts of the blowing of the first four trumpets, both of which involve a downward motion. The angel hurls the censer down to the earth. Then the angel took the censer, filled it with burning coals from the altar, and hurled it down to the earth. Apocalypse 8:5. Then the hail, fire, and blood are hurled down to the earth. When the first one blew his trumpet, there came hail and fire mixed with blood, which was hurled down to the earth. Apocalypse 8:7. A large burning mountain is hurled into the sea. When the second angel blew his trumpet, something like a large burning mountain was hurled into the sea. Apocalypse 8:8-9. And a large star falls from the sky on rivers and springs. When the third angel blew his trumpet, a large star burning like a torch fell from the sky. It fell on a third of the rivers and on the springs of water. Apocalypse 8:10-11. Now let's summarize the effects of the trumpets. The first trumpet affects the land, causing wildfires, that is, trees and grass burning. The second trumpet affects the sea, changing much of its color to red, killing many of the animals in it, and wrecking many of the ships on it. The third trumpet affects the rivers and springs, making many of them bitter-tasting and poisonous. And the fourth trumpet affects the sun, moon, and stars, reducing their visibility from the perspective of the earth. The most basic question to be asked about these texts is whether they are intended to be understood literally or symbolically. I propose that they are to be understood literally, since there is nothing about the details that differs from what one might find in the real world. Let's examine the texts of each of the four trumpets in order to establish that there is nothing about them that is inconsistent with what we know about the way the natural world operates.